If you want to stop being a brokey, I have literally made the perfect video that is going to explain to you step by step on how to reach financial freedom in the next 6 months. So if you are watching this video, make sure to pay attention because everything that I'm going to tell you right now is going to be completely free, and it's going to be how I was able to create generational wealth without, going through all the headaches. So I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I was able to do it. So on this website right here, Pump.Fun, a lot of you guys know what it is, right? If you know anything about the Memecoin space, you know that you could make a ton of money from Memecoins. But there is a but. You have to remember, with Memecoins, a lot of people gamble their money. They gamble all the way. That's all they do. They pop in on a coin, they buy it, they see it going up, market cap, and then they get rugged. It's literally whoever could gamble their way to the top. But I'm going to show you guys a website that has actually helped me in terms of being, smart with it when I want to trade meme coins rather than just gambling it away. So this is a screenshot of my wallet right here not too long ago. And as you guys could see, I was able to make a ton of money. And this took a while because before I used to be a degen. I was pretty much degenning it all day, every day. I would get SOL from my wallet from my actual 9 to 5. And I would put it in my Solana wallet, like I said, and I would go to Pump.Fun and I would literally just see a coin and I would just throw the money in there, and I was waiting for the next 100x coin. The problem with that, there's a lot of things that are wrong with this. One, I was just gambling. We all know it. We all have done it. We're just gambling. And two, I was never going to hit that 100x coin because a lot of these coins are all simply rugs, as we could see right here on Pump.Fun. Look at all these coins. They're all rugs. But back then, I was blinded. I was actually high off of the people making all the money. Like, that just got me high off of it. My dopamine was cooked. And I just thought that I could be like those people that I see on those Instagram videos that they just hit they invested $10 and they made like $100,000. Like, I really thought that was going to be me. So I was pretty delusional. I was tricked. It was all a trick. I was tricked. And after a while, I kind of realized that, if I'm going to start trading meme coins, I need to be smart with it because a lot of these gurus tell you, oh yeah, just go right here on Photon and just set all these filters right here and you're going to catch the next 100x. Or just go right here on graduated, go right here, click the first one and quick buy. Like, that's literally what everyone was saying. Or they were saying, oh, go over here and, go on your settings and put this filter right here of whatever market cap, blah, 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 blah. It was all BS. Yes, I learned from it, but a lot of it was BS. The reason I say it was BS because just because a coin has all that stuff does not mean it's a rug. Look at all these coins right here. They're all on the Radium Dex, and a lot of them are simply rugs, bro. A lot of them are, look at this right here. I just clicked a random coin, top trader, let's see. Invested 0, made 5K. And a lot of these people right here, let me tell you what they're doing. If you're actually watching this video and paying attention, let me tell you what this person right here did or could have done, because it could be one or two things. That person might have been what? Guess what he might have been? He might have been the dev or the creator. When you create a coin, you simply cannot lose because the only thing you're going to gain from it is making money. Because obviously, if that was the dev, he could have gone right here, created the coin, wait for it to get up here, and he would have simply just rugged everyone to the bottom. He would have rugged everyone dry, and everyone else along this path right here would have been done. They would have lost all their money. And I've been there before. I've lost all my money. Like I said, I used to have a 9 to 5 job and it was worthless. It was pathetic because I would just come here and it's like if I was at the casino, I would just gamble and think I would win. But I was able to change all of this with one simple thing, guys. This right here is a screenshot, like I told you. I was able to get here with one simple thing. One thing. You know what it was? Meme fast. Memefast.fun literally changed my life. And every single day, opportunities are here. The reason why I say this is because if you are a beginner in the meme coin space and you still want to try trading your way up rather than rugging people, you could simply do that. Look at this feature right here that Memefast just implemented. Instead of trying to actually go and set all those filters and stuff like that, we are using AI. Memefast is using AI as one of its features in order to maximize the profits. As you guys know, AI is huge. Everyone is implementing it. And if you're not using AI, you are literally a retard. So getting back to this, it says right here, our algorithm identifies high potential tokens from Pump.Fun, giving you an edge in the market. Buy instantly and optimize your returns. So look at this coin right here, right? This is King of the Hill. If I'm to click on this right here, or actually I can't click on it because I'm not on the other one. My fault. Right here, I could literally go and quick buy. I could quick buy whatever it is, 0.5 SOL. I could do 1 SOL. Let me just show you guys right here so I could show you the process of this video. And before I do this, I told you guys that I used to be a degen and I used to do this. And the reason this is different from being a degen is it actually is implementing AI. So it's taking away all the risks of you going into a stupid rug, and it's taking away all that time and effort you put into actually setting filters. So it's doing all that work for you. And as you guys know, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever it is, they're all super sophisticated, way, way, way more knowledgeable than a human being could ever be. And they do so much things, coding, whatever it is, to get this information straight for us. And we are literally guaranteed to win. So like I said, look at this right here. I'm going to go ahead and quick buy 1 SOL. I already have I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. Continue. Last one, continue. Right here. And it is actually buying 0.1 SOL of this token right here that is trending. And shortly it will appear and I will be able to view my purchase. So let's just go ahead and give it a second as it does that for me. Okay, right here, it was purchased, and now on my portfolio, I'm gonna go see everything right here. So yes, this coin was kind of like a whatever buy, but who knows, maybe it could go all the way up. If I would have actually done my research, it would have, been a lot more profitable. But looking at this token right here, I could actually probably wait because it is getting pumped right here. It's gonna keep going. So let's go back over here to Memefast. As you guys could see, I'm up right there. If it were to go up even more, let's just go ahead and wait a little bit unless I get rugged. But let's just keep looking at this. I'm probably going to go ahead and go to a different tab right here just, for the sake of this video, and I'll come back to this later. But the other way we could actually use Memefast that I have been implementing is by creating a coin. If you do not want to invest or trade meme coins, if you don't want to trade meme coins, you could become a dev. Like I mentioned back up here, a creator. You could become a dev or a creator. What I mean by that is you are the one that's going to be behind the scenes of creating these tokens and actually rugging everyone. So this is where you're going to be in the position to make a lot of money and reach this right here. Let's look back at our investment right here. Up right there. We're still up. It's going to go ahead and keep pumping right there, and I'll probably sell before it gets rugged or whatever it is. Who knows? Maybe it goes all the way up. But let's go back to what I was saying. So with Memefast, you could either trade meme coins with the use of AI, or you could become the dev, which is what I do a lot of the times. It's about 60 to 40%, this being 60, 40 being trading meme coins. But on Memefast, there is no other platform out there that allows you to do both. So if I were to create a meme coin, obviously I would have to do a little bit of research. With the research, I've talked about it in previous videos about going on X, going on the news, using real life events to find out what is trending in today's day and age in the world. And once you find that, you then go ahead and create the coin fairly quickly, or you could use the copy feature right here that allows you to copy a trending coin in one click, which is huge. I use this a lot, but for the beginners, this is more user friendly. After you do that, you just put in right there a 500 by 500 image. After that, you are then going to buy the supply, which is 100 billion. After that, or 1 billion. After that, you just go ahead and go through a couple things. It's going to prompt you through it. Once you are done, you are then going to actually create the liquidity pool. So obviously there is supply or liquidity for you to remove from the token, and you're going to do 900,000. But I know all this sounds confusing. Just go to my previous video. I literally have step-by-step on how to create a meme coin or how to use the copy feature. Once you do that, your token will be live. It will get published to the Radium DEX and people will be able to buy. And it's going to actually get you a lot of buys because, as we know, the Radium DEX is one of the most popular and more professional DEXs that there is in this meme coin space. A lot of these coins actually have very, very high market caps, meaning people are going to buy and they're going to look less like rugs. Like this right here looks less like a rug. It is getting pumped, but you could see that it's going to be very bullish right here because of that trend. So we're going to stay away from that one. But Memefast is huge, guys. If you weren't, look, I'm literally up $1, but if I were to buy more, I would have already been up like 50 bucks, literally off of just that one feature from Memefast, which is huge, guys. I promise you guys, Memefast is literally going to change your life. If you guys liked what I've published and want to see more a little bit about the previous videos, go ahead and watch that, and it's going to teach you step by step. For that, that's just for today's video. Remember, everything that I talked about is educational purposes.